Hey, what's poppin', everybody? So I think this situation pretty much explains itself. This hair is just a big no-no right now. So we about to fix this, about to tame this bad boy. So basically the reason why it looks so crazy is because I just made a wig. And you know hair is frizzy when you just make a wig. But also because I ran out of space. I sewed my wefts too close together. So I had an empty spot at the top of my head. And I actually had to go in and use hair from my hair storage. Y'all need a hair storage, I'm telling you. Where I found some extra hair and I sewed it in at the top just to fill in that patch. So there's a little bit of loose waves in there, but it's fine because we're flat ironing it with this amazing flat iron. No, I'm not sponsored, but y'all, I swear by this flat iron. It is not cheap, but it is worth the price. It gets your hair silky straight. But I decided, because I really love this hair and I love how it has this natural look to it, I wanted to keep it kind of natural looking and not too silky straight. So I did big sections and you'll see the end results. I really love this hair from Sunber, y'all. Let's talk about this hair from Sunber. This Brazilian straight hair is so bomb. It's so thick and it has a nice luster to it, a very natural, like, look at it. It's just so cool. And their closure, y'all, all I did was bleach the knots. That was it. I didn't do any tinting. I didn't do any baby hairs, nothing. And you're gonna see, and look how natural that closure looks. Like, I love this closure, and I barely tweezed it. Now, to get your hair flat at the top, you just need a wax stick and an iron comb. That combination right there, let me tell you, you will get yourself a nice flat closure, okay? And yeah, that's it, y'all. It didn't take a lot of time at all. This hair is amazing. I just love the end results. Like, look at it. Okay, you're gonna see it just now. Anyway, it looks so good. I could just go on and on about this hair. I will leave all the information for this hair in the description box below. Look at this frontal, this closure. I didn't do anything, y'all. No gel, no baby hairs, no tinting, nothing. And this is the end result. So, yo, I could just go on and on about this look, but I'm gonna stop here. That being said, make sure you like this video, you comment down below, you share with all your friends, and of course you subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.